Hey guys, Kevin, Muddy River Tactical. So you've bought a leather holster from us. All of our leather holsters, whether it's our soft leather, our tuckable leather, or our outside the waistband leather holsters, are all made from natural water buffalo leather. One of the cool properties about this natural water buffalo leather and why we use it is it's got that soft suede-like feel that's just soft against your skin, makes it very comfortable. But with that, it takes a little bit of maintenance and it's very little though. So as you can see, this holster, you can see it's been used. I've used this holster for, I can't tell you how many years, but it's still working fine. The only thing you need to do to these holsters is if you take a light leather conditioner, if you go to Walmart or places like that, Meguiar's makes one, take it and spray it on a microfiber cloth. I don't, or any gun cloth like this, just barely spray it on there and like literally one spray, and then you wipe the outside of the holster down. That will clean and protect the holster, and that's literally all you have to do to it. As far as storing these holsters, we suggest in a cool, dry place. Don't leave it out in the sun where it dries it out or anything like that. If you wouldn't leave your pistol there, don't leave the holster there. And also, if you're storing it for a long period of time, do not leave your pistol in the leather holster. And the reason being is your gun, if you clean it properly, is going to have lubricant on it. That lubricant and the oil from the leather will end up trapping itself in there, and it can cause a finish problem if you leave it there too long. I mean, we're talking 6 months or more. So it's not a if you leave it overnight type thing, but if you're putting it in the safe and you don't touch the gun for a year, don't leave it in this holster. So that's on the soft leather. The tuckable leather is all the same, except for make sure you check your screws. So on the tuckable ones, you can have the tuckable clip or the ulti clip. Make sure you fasten this screw and just make sure it's tight. And when you put these clips on, we suggest using Loctite so it shouldn't back out, but always just double check that and make sure. The other thing about leather is kind of Kydex has a misinterpretation. In the old days, people would say Kydex would tear up your guns. Well, it's actually kind of the opposite. Leather will make your gun wear more if you do not use this tip. So as you can see in this leather, it's got the grain to the leather, which makes dirt, lint, debris almost catch in there, and it will act like a sandpaper. So I'd say every day, every couple days, depending on how OCD you are about your stuff, either wipe out your holster or blow out this holster. If you have like an air compressor, blow out the holster and make sure it's clean of lint and debris. It will just make the holster last a lot longer and also help the finish on your firearm. So if you follow these few tips on your leather holster, you'll be good for a lifetime.